Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us one more smartwatch from Gionee and it's the StyleFit GSW10. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you its features. In the front of the box we have the model name StyleFit GSW10 and the picture of the smartwatch. And here we have some key features such as 1.69-inch touch display, 5 ATM waterproof, and you get 100 plus cloud-based watch face option. At this side of the box we have some more features such as 24 hours heart rate monitoring, SpO2 monitoring, sleep monitoring and so on. And here we have the hardware specification and we can see that this smartwatch comes with 220 mAh battery. The Gionee StyleFit GSW10 is available in 3 colors: matte black, Astro Navy and the mystery rose. The MRP of this smartwatch is Rs 4999, but it will be available to purchase on Flipkart for just Rs 2399. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the smartwatch itself, and guys, my first impression is that this smartwatch is well built and the build quality feels pretty good. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the documentation, and here we have the user guide along with the warranty information. And here is the magnetic charging cable, and this is how it connects at the back of the smartwatch for charging. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Gionee StyleFit GSW10 is a budget fitness smartwatch. Looking at the design and build quality, we get this square dial and the build quality of this smartwatch feels decent. In the front of the smartwatch we have the 1.69-inch touchscreen, and you also get this curved glass which gives this watch a nice look and feel. The straps are made up of silicone and the quality is again pretty good. The straps are removable and you can replace the straps with the choice of yours. Now in terms of the overview, we have the crown button on the side to turn on the display or to go back to the main menu. At the back we have the charging pins, heart rate sensor and the SpO2 sensor. And guys, this smartwatch does support 24 hours heart rate monitoring. So in terms of the overview and design, keeping in mind that it's a budget fitness smartwatch, we find it pretty good. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So the watch is on, and now we need to download the app G-Buddy StyleFit, which is available on both Android and iOS platform. So here we have the app installed, and to pair the smartwatch you need to go to the add device section and then tap on the GSW10 from the list. And that's it, your smartwatch is now ready to use. Now let's look at the smartwatch features first. So here we have the watch face, and guys, you can change the watch face by long pressing on the screen, and you can also add more watch faces from the app, which I will show you in a moment. In terms of the controls, swiping down from the top shows you the quick settings, and here we have the brightness, weather and the flashlight. Swiping up from the bottom shows you the notification history, and swiping left from the right side gives you the access to the shortcut cards such as step count, sleep data, heart rate, sports modes, SpO2 and the weather. To access the main menu, you need to swipe right from the left side. And in the menu, first we have the step count, and here I must tell you that the touch response is very good and the menu is lag free. Then in the menu we have the sleep data, and after that we have the heart rate menu. And as mentioned earlier, you get the continuous heart rate monitoring in this smartwatch. After the heart rate we have the sports menu, and in this smartwatch you get 12 sports modes which includes walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football. Swimming mode is also available as this smartwatch is 5 ATM waterproof. And after that we have the yoga, tennis, elliptical and dumbbell mode. Then in the menu we have the SpO2 monitoring, and in this smartwatch you can see the real-time data. After that we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather details along with the weather forecast. After that we have the shutter, by which you can use this smartwatch as a remote shutter. After that we have the player menu, and here you can control the music on your phone. Then we have the relax option, and with this you can do some breathing exercise. After that we have the usual options such as stopwatch, alarm and the timer option with some preset timers. Then in the menu we have the flashlight, and lastly we have the settings. And in the settings of the smartwatch you can change the menu style, and here you can choose list view or the grid view. Then in the settings we have the brightness, vibration settings and the usual reset, power off and the QR code for the app. So that's all the features we have on this smartwatch, and right now I can say that this smartwatch ticks all the boxes in terms of the features. There is also a race to wake feature, which by the way also works pretty good. Now let's look at the companion app G-Buddy. So here we are on the home page, and on the home page you can see your fitness data such as step count, sleep data, heart rate, SpO2 and so on. You can also tap any of these categories to see the historical data. On the next page we have the device settings, and here on the top we have the connected device information, which includes the battery percentage. Then we have the watch face store, and here in this you can check the default watch faces or discover more watch faces. And guys, in terms of the watch faces, you get plenty of options in this smartwatch, which is definitely an advantage. You can also add your own customized watch face by choosing a picture of your choice and then customize it from these options. After the watch face store, we have the notification settings, and here in this you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. You can silent the vibration alert or reject the call from the watch itself. And here is how you get the app alert. And guys, in this smartwatch we don't get the preset replies and the emoji support. Then in the settings we have the usual alarm and the shutter menu. After that we have the watch settings, and in this you can turn on the sedentary reminder, 24 hours heart rate monitoring, race to wake, and also the drink water reminder. So that's all the features of the companion app. The app is basic but offers all the necessary details. The UI is simple and easy to understand. So overall, the Gionee StyleFit GSW10 is a budget fitness smartwatch which not only looks good but offers all the essential features. The design is good and the watch feels comfortable on the hand. The UI and the menu is lag free, and the touch response is also pretty good. Feature wise, this smartwatch is feature rich, which is definitely an advantage, keeping in mind that it's a budget fitness smartwatch. And about the data, it's also quite accurate, and the battery backup is also pretty good, and you can easily get up to 8 days of battery backup. So to sum it up, if you're in the market for a budget smartwatch under Rs 2500, and if this will be your first smartwatch, then we highly recommend you to check out this newly launched Gionee StyleFit GSW10 smartwatch. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Gionee StyleFit GSW10 smartwatch. Let us know if you like this smartwatch, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.